Thank you. So indigo, tea, coffee, opium introduced during the British age because these goods were the high demanded in the European countries, and specifically as opium produced in India to exchange with the silk with China. That's why as the Britishers introduced as a commercialization of agriculture, but later in stage after independence, commercialization of agriculture used for a growth, for increase in production of grains, and later in stage as a cash crop, sugar and rubber. Generally, as a commercial crops are produced under the plantation agriculture, in which extensive areas are used for production of a single crop. Once sowing of a crop, it is capable for a harvesting continuously for a 7 to 10 years. For example, tea, rubber, coffee. Tea, rubber, coffee. The commercial form of a farming dependent upon the assured irrigation facilities, high capital investment. Third, labor use in abundance. Fourth, HYV seeds. Fifth one, fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides are used in larger scales to increase the production. Specifically, such crops are produced for the exports towards other countries. Specifically in India, food crops are produced for a subsistence method, but the grains, wheat and rice, these are produced under the extensive grain farming. It is a part of commercial grain farming. Production of wheat and rice in extensive areas with the use of modern inputs of farming is a part of commercial farming. So first form of commercial farming as a plantation agriculture, extensive areas used for a production of a single crop with modern inputs of farming is a plantation agriculture, through which the rubber, tea, coffee are produced in India. Clear? Next is a mixed cropping, in which the agricultural practices are occurred in relation to the animal rearing of animals. So in agriculture, as supportive, dairy farming, poultry farming, fishing has generally used, because agriculture is a sector which generates an income after 7 to 8 months after the harvesting of a crop. But through the support of animal rearing, it is possible to earn an income in a monthly basis. Clear, Akhilesh? Dairy farming, poultry farming, fishing. This is a mixed farming. In the other side, commercial agriculture has also included as the multiple or intercropping, in which 2 or more than 2 crops are simultaneously produced in agriculture fields, where the one crop leads to the deficiency of a nutrient contents in a soil, the other is a supplement of it. For example, with wheat, the mustard has produced in a Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Wheat decreasing as a nitrogenous content, and mustard, it has fixing as such nitrogenous content, the fertility of soils as naturally. Clear? Peas with the mustard, PEA. Clear? Peas with the other vegetables. These are a multiple cropping. Clear? These are a parts of a commercial agriculture. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? When you are practicing the agriculture with rearing of animals, is a mixed cropping. When you are producing the 2 crops in a same agriculture field, in a same agriculture season, simultaneously is a multiple cropping. Thank you. Any questions? Nobody? Roll number. Very good. Cross zone area. And a land used once in a year is a net sown area. Once in a year. In one agriculture season, when a land has used for production is a net sown, more than once is a gross sown area. Total area under the cultivation. And a land which is unused for a certain period of time is a fallow land. Sit down. This was a question asked in a somewhere in a first periodic test 1. याद होगा कहीं, उसमें करंट fallow land आया था. सैंपल पेपर में भी ये क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, CBSE. आपने सॉल्व किया होगा. Okay. 3 agriculture seasons are there. Kharif is the first. Gross sown area, SOWN area. Net sown area once in a year when land used for cultivation. Wheat की production हुई, उसके बाद छोड़ दिया. Land is not capable for a production of a rice. It is unused for a certain period of time for one agriculture season or year. It is a current fallow land. When land is remain unused since last 5 years, it's a permanent fallow land. When land is used twice or thrice in a year for production, is a gross sown area. GROSSOWN area. Gross sown area. So the Kharif season begins with the onset of a monsoons. Onset of monsoons. Akhilesh, in which month monsoons begins in India? Very good. June. Onset of a monsoon, sit down, till the beginning of a winters in October. These crops are harvested in September and October. Presently, as a paddy has harvest in agricultural fields. That crop which was sowing at the month of June, harvest in September and October, beginning of winters. These crops are diversified form produced in our country, but in northeastern states and the southern states, the Kharif crop, like as a paddy, has produced twice or thrice in a year, 2 times and 3 times, due to availability, regular supply of water and clay soils. But in parts of Punjab, rice can possible once in a year during as a rainy season, summer season. Next agriculture season is a Rabi season. Rabi season begins with the beginning of a winters and harvest in a month of April and May. Crops are sowing and in the month of November, December, which has harvest in April and March. But in some of the areas where the wheat has sowing in a month of January, it harvests in June also. Central India, specifically in Central India, during the Rabi season, specifically as a wheat, pea, gram, potatoes, mustard, barley, maize. Maize is a crop which can possible to produce in a Kharif and Rabi both the seasons. Maize, Kharif and Rabi both the seasons. So to name the crops which are producing in both of the seasons, Kharif and Rabi. First maize, second sugarcane. Once in a year it can possible to produce. Once, not twice. Yes. Who will answer, Akhilesh? Just suggest me the name. Any name, roll number? हाँ बोलो, यहाँ किसी का रोल नंबर दिया था आपने? Yes. Roll number 24. Stand up. 24. Yes. Name those crops which are produced in both the seasons. Kharif during as a summers and Rabi during as a winters. Both the seasons. One as a maize. Any other? Sorry. Rice. Yes. Pulses. Number of pulses are there. Gram is possible to produce in both the seasons. Oil seeds are there. Oil seeds. Specifically, different types of oil seeds are producing in different seasons. For example, sesamum, till. Sesamum has produced during as the Rabi season, whereas in a Kharif season, groundnuts, sunflower, soybean, mustard producing in a Rabi season. Any other? Any other? हाँ जी, मिलेट्स हो सकती हैं, ऑयल सीड्स हो सकती हैं, मेज है उसमें कॉटन है, कॉटन और वेरी गुड गर्ल, रागी मिलेट्स में आती है, फिर तो बार्ले भी कह दिया जाए, बाजरा भी कह दिया जाए, मिलेट्स में ही आते हैं ये सब. यस, Any other? Any suggestion? Very good. Vegetables. Very good. Good girl. Sit down.